Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel Travel with Shoshi. Today again I come with a review product. Let's check out. It's a birthday wrapping paper roll. The entire roll of this is 17 inch by 30 feet long. So it's a good amount of wrapping paper. You can see there is a lot of wrapping paper in this roll, right? It's a brown color wrapping paper with written happy birthday with several different colors. And the reverse side is fully brown. It could be used for anybody, not specifically boy or girl. And it also comes with very good wrap, so there is no chance of damage. It's really high quality wrapping paper. If you could see the thickness, it's really nice. It's not flimsy at all. It's made really well. Let's check out how it works with wrapping. It's really nice high quality wrapping paper. I'm so excited with this wrapping paper. And you can see it's so easy to wrap with this. I highly recommend for this. If you want to order this wrapping paper, you'll get the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.